Hello everyone, welcome back to the Money Eyes channel. Today I am just going to be showing you guys how I use my inventory template that I have in my planner. There is a date column for when you did the inventory, an item column for the food item, and then there are 6 boxes to mark the amount of each item that you have. And then there is an expiration date and a units column. In the quantity section, there are 6 boxes, I believe, to indicate how many of each item that you have. On one of my items, you'll see as you watch, I had a lot of them, so I put more than one mark in each box so that I could account for how many I have, so that when I go to make my grocery list, if I want to use that item for a dinner idea or a lunch or breakfast or whatever I do, I can keep track of how many things that I need to buy, or if I don't need to buy, or even like I have a lot of this one item, I need to start filling this into dinner ideas. So this is why I like to do my kitchen inventory. In this particular video, I will only be doing like my cans, and then there are a few seasoning items that are in this pantry area that I'm doing the inventory on. And then I have like dry goods such as like noodles and rice, things like that, and oatmeal. I then will go and do the inventory of actually where my seasonings are. And then I have a baking pantry as well. But those won't be included in this video. Like I said, this video is just to show you guys how I use them, and maybe possibly give somebody else ideas of how they can keep track of their pantry items in their kitchen. Or you can also use this for any other area. You can just edit the template how you want to use it and use it for whatever area that you want to use it on. I just labeled this as a kitchen inventory for planning purposes. I will be repurposing this as well, because I do like use it for my hygiene, cleaning products, toys that for my kids, and things like that. But I'm just going to let you guys watch, and then I will be back with you guys towards the end. Okay, and as always, I hope everybody enjoyed this video. Any comments or suggestions leave them below. I answer my comments. And as always, thank you for checking out my videos, and I will be back with you guys soon with another one. Thank you.